How you doing? Mike back again with another video. Today I have a mystery box from Adams Polish. I paid $49.95 for this mystery box. About to open up and find out what we get inside. Supposedly we get guaranteed at least $80 worth of product. So let's see what we got. Lots of paper, so far so good. I love $80 worth of paper. Alright, first we got interior premium microfiber towel. That's great for the interior works. Got, pretty nice, the microfiber hand mitt for washing cars. Alright, we got two tire applicators. I guess one for wax on, one for wax off. We got a lot of spray tips. Let's see what else we get up here. First, we got a detail spray. Detail spray for in-between washes. This is perfect for in-between washes, and it's good for one of my sprays. We have the Waterless Wash. Waterless Wash is also good for in-between car washes, and it's good with another one of my sprays. We got interior detailer for the plastic trim, rubber trim, most of the stuff on the inside. Use an edgeless towel with those. That'd be good with the interior, premium interior towel. We got a paint sealant. I haven't seen this before from Adams. I'll have to check in and see how this works. Let's see what color it is real quick. Oh, it's like a dark gray. It smells good too. It smells like surfboard wax. A brilliant glaze. I'll have to see what this is about also, because I don't know what this is about. Kind of new to Adams. Brilliant glaze. Also good with one of my sprayers. Tire shine. Good to put on your tires after you clean them all up with all the applicator pads, which would be good. And leather interior dressing. Gotta love this. Oh, and it has a matte finish and odorless. Perfect for when you clean up a car. You don't want that stinky smell in there. Two Adams air fresheners. Don't know what the smell is. Have to open them up. And one water nozzle. Nice. Wish it had the foam cannon that attached to this. That would be sweet. And last but not least, the Adams bucket with all their logos on there. Alright, so that's all we got in here. So in my opinion, for $50, this could be worth it. I am gonna see how much these all are on their website, and I'll post them all up in my descriptions and a link below. Subscribe and like my video, and thanks for watching.